ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ നോക്കുന്നൊരു ഫൈനൽ ആൻസർ കീ ആണ്. സ്റ്റെനോ ടൈപ്പിസ്റ്റ്, ക്ലർക്ക് ടൈപ്പിസ്റ്റ്, ടൈപ്പിസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2, LD ടൈപ്പിസ്റ്റ്, കോൺഫിഡൻഷ്യൽ അസിസ്റ്റൻറ്റ്. ഈ ഒരു ഭാഗത്തിൽ 13/8/2024 നടന്ന എക്സാമിൻ്റെ ഫൈനൽ ആൻസർ കീ ആണത്. 108/2024 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ കോഡ്. ഇത് ആൽഫ കോഡ് A ഉള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കിതിലെ ചോദ്യങ്ങളും അവയുടെ ഉത്തരങ്ങളും നോക്കാം. കേരള PSC നടത്തിയ പരീക്ഷകൾ തികച്ചും സൗജന്യമായി മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് രൂപത്തിൽ ചെയ്തു പഠിക്കാം. അതിനായി ഈ ഒരു സൈറ്റ് സന്ദർശിക്കുക, tulasi.ecpsc.com. കേരള PSC നടത്തിയ മുൻവർഷ ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ഇയർ ബേസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള PDF-കളായി വാങ്ങാൻ വേണ്ടി ഈ ഒരു വെബ്സൈറ്റ് സന്ദർശിക്കുക, store.ecpsc.com. മുൻവർഷ ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ, സ്റ്റഡി മെറ്റീരിയലുകൾ, ഫ്രീ മെറ്റീരിയലുകൾ എന്നിവ ഇവിടെ നിന്നും ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. Who is the present Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog? Suman Vari. The famous Hindu temple situated in the valley of Brahmagiri Hill. Tirunelli Temple. In which of the following is an artificial lake? Gobind Sagar Lake. In which section of Indian National Congress decided to observe 26 January of every year as the Independence Day? Lahore section. Wajid Ali Shah, the ruler of which one of the following states, was removed from power by British in the name of misrule at the time of 1857 revolt? Awadh. Mannat Padmanabhan organized Savarna Jatha in support of Vaikam Satyagraha. Who wrote the famous book Prajina Malayalam? Chattambi Somigal. The best FIFA men's player of 2022? Lionel Messi. The town located on the confluence of river Bhagirathi and Alagadanda is? Cancelled question. Who won the 52nd Odakudal Award? Ambika Sudan Mangad. Which of the following is the brain of the computer? Central Processing Unit. Which of the following is an output device? Printer. How many bytes does 2 kilobytes represent? 2048. Full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Which operating system is developed by Apple? macOS. What is the name of a device that converts digital signals to analog signal? Modem. dpi means dots per inch. Every computer connected to the internet is identified by a unique 4-part string known as IP address. The third generation computers are based on integrated circuit. Malware is the short form for malicious software and used to refer to all of the above. Spyware, virus, worm. Dash is the special kind of website which offers so many services to its users. Web portals. Dash is an example of search engine. All of this. Yippee, Bing, DuckDuckGo. Touchscreen is Dash type peripheral device. Both input and output. Norton is an example of Dash software. Antivirus. Who is the following is known as the father of computers? Charles Babbage. What do we call a collection of 2 or more computers that are located within a limited distance of each other and that are connected to each other directly or indirectly? Local area network. What is meant by the concept of WYSI WYG in MS Word? What you see is what you get. Which commands are present in Quick Access Toolbar in MS Word? All of the above. Save, redo, undo. Which of the following is an example of page orientation in Word document? Landscape. To select all the text in MS Word document by Ctrl+A. The name of a Word document displays in title bar. What is the shortcut key for Find and Replace dialog box in MS Word? Ctrl+H. What is the shortcut key for Paste in MS Word? Ctrl+V. In MS Word, which enables us to send the same letter to different persons? Mail merge. What is the default file name of Microsoft Excel file? Cancelled question. In MS Excel, the intersection of a column and a row in a worksheet is called cell. Which programming language is used to write a macro in MS Excel? Visual Basic. When a range is selected, how can you activate the previous cell? Cancelled question. In MS Excel, what is the syntax for power function? Equal to power number power. In which function returns the remainder after a number is divided by a divisor in Excel? Mode. Which chart can be created in Excel? All of the above. Dotnet pie line. Excel displays the current cell address in the name box. Which of this is the page setup orientation by default of the slides in PowerPoint? Landscape. What is a Microsoft PowerPoint? Presentation program. Which of the following is called a page to create presentation in PowerPoint? Slide. Which of the following shortcut key is used to start the slideshow? Using F5 key. Which of the following shortcut key is used to stop the slideshow? Escape key. Which of the following shortcut key is used to help the PowerPoint? F1. Which is the menu to create a text box in a slide? Insert text box. PowerPoint presentation is a collection of all of the above: slides and handouts, speaker's notes, outlines. Malayalam typewriter was introduced by N.S. Pandala. Rhythmic touch method is also known as staccato method. Type guide is fitted. Only one. At the bottom of the segment. Items required for cleaning a typewriter. Which of the following is true in this? Only 1 and 2. Long brush, polishing cloth, oil can, hat pin. Rocker mechanism includes the functioning of the following parts. Only 1 and 2. Pinion wheel, escapement wheel, loose dog. From the below given statements, which options are true? All of the above. When the machine is at rest, the loose dog is in action. When the pressure on the rigid dog leaves the tooth and the loose dog catches the next tooth of the escapement wheel. When the character key is pressed, Rich dog is in action. Carriage moves by 1 degree when loose dog leaves the tooth of the escapement wheel. The ribbon starts to move from one spool to another spool automatically is known as automatic reverse movement. The expanded form of EFTS, Electronic Fund Transfer System. When the variable line spacer is used, the contact between the cylinder ratchet and the cylinder is seized. The above statement shows that variable line spacer is used to rotate the cylinder. The figure 370 is written in Roman numerals as CCCLXS. The publisher told me that my mistakes won't be a problem in the future. I thought he was very kind, but later I realized that he was giving me a left-handed compliment. What does the idiom a left-handed compliment means? Insulting remark. Give a one-word substitute for a sudden complete failure. Debacle. Find the word which is a synonym of glitch. Stereotype. Fill in the blank with the suitable proposition. Negligence from the parents causes the children to look dash affection elsewhere. 4. Find the figure of speech of the following sentence. My blood turned cold like the moon. Simile. Pick out the sentence which is grammatically correct. Between you and me, everything is a mystery. Fill in the blank with an apt phrasal verb. Looking past in life, I still can't dash what went wrong. Figure out. Choose the correct spelling. They performed the last dash with all due respect before the body was cremated. Ritz. Identify the sentence which is in the passive voice. Let him be invited to the party. Choose the appropriate question tag. He chose a book dash. Didn't he? Would you mind dash your car from the way? Moving. In the following sentence, supply a verb in agreement with its subject. Either the cast or the director dash responsible. Was. Mr. Bean saw a dash of keys lying on the floor. Bench. You must get some more questions. Dash you can't complete your project. Otherwise. If I had known that you were coming, I could have prepared your favorite dishes. Fill in the blank with the correct reporter speech. She asked me dash if I needed lunch. By the time we reached home, the thief dashed the spot. Had left. Fill in the blank using an article. Ramesh is dash MBA graduate. And his explanation was so complicated that only dash students responded to his queries in the interactive section. A few. Put the phrases in the correct order to unscramble the sentence. The most interesting movies I have ever seen. This is one of. See another. This is one of the most interesting movies I have ever seen. പൊൻ പ്ലസ് കലശം, പൊൽക്കലശം. ഇതിലെ സന്ധി ഏത്? ആദേശസന്ധി. യഥായോഗ്യം പിരിച്ചെഴുതുക. യോഗ്യത പോലെ. ജന്മം മുതൽ ഒറ്റപ്പദമാക്കുക. ആജന്മം. ആര് ദുഷ്പ്രവൃത്തി ചെയ്യുന്നുവോ അവൻ ദൈവശിക്ഷ അനുഭവിക്കും. ഇതിലെ അങ്കിവാക്യം ഏത്? അവൻ ദൈവശിക്ഷ അനുഭവിക്കും. വെൻ യു ആർ അറ്റ് റോം ഡു ആസ് റോമൻസ് ഡു. ഇതിനോട് ചോദിച്ച പഴഞ്ചൊല്ല്. ചേരെ തിന്നുന്ന നാട്ടിൽ ചെന്നാൽ നടുക്കണ്ടം തിന്നണം. ആദ്യാവസാനക്കാരൻ എന്ന ശൈലിയുടെ അർത്ഥം എന്ത്? പ്രധാന പങ്കാളി. താഴെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളതിൽ ശരിയായ പ്രയോഗമേത്? ഐച്ഛികം. അത്യാശ്ചര്യം പിരിച്ചെഴുതുക. അതി പ്ലസ് ആശ്ചര്യം. പറയാനുള്ള ആഗ്രഹം ഒറ്റപദമാക്കുക. വിവക്ഷ. കൃതജ്ഞത എന്ന പദത്തിൻ്റെ വിപരീതമേത്? കൃതജ്ഞത. കളന്തം എന്ന പദത്തിൻ്റെ പര്യായപദമേത്? മുള. ഒറ്റപ്പദമാക്കുക. പ്രയോഗത്തിന് യോഗ്യമായത്? പ്രയോഗക്ഷമം. ശബ്ദം എന്ന പദത്തിൻ്റെ പര്യായ പദമല്ലാത്തത് ഏത്? ക്യാൻസൽഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ശരിയായ പദമേത്? ദൃഢം. ചേർത്തെഴുതുക. കാണി പ്ലസ് അശങ്കം. കണിതശങ്കം. ശരിയായ വാക്യം തിരഞ്ഞെടുത്തെഴുതുക. ഗുരുശിഷ്യ ബന്ധത്തെ പൗരാണികർ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ കണ്ടിരുന്നു. താഴെ പറയുന്നതിൽ സ്ത്രീലിംഗ പ്രത്യയം വരാത്ത പ്രയോഗമേത്? മിടുക്ക്. പരമോന്നതം പിരിച്ചെഴുതുക. പരമ പ്ലസ് ഉന്നതം. ദുഃഖമുത്ത് വിഗ്രഹിച്ചെഴുതുക. ദുഃഖമാകുന്ന മുത്ത്. ചെംപ്ലസ് താര് ചെന്താര് സന്ധി ഏത്? ആദേശസന്ധി.